What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew and this is Wanna Crypto, your guide in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more difficult cryptocurrency terms made easy. It is time to talk about the news that occurred in the crypto world last week. Payments with Lightning Network will be available in Microsoft Excel. Bitcoin developer and director of consulting firm Bitcoin Advisory, Pierre Rochard, announced this week the launch of plugin for Microsoft Excel, with which you can make Lightning Network transactions directly from the application, as reported by CoinGate. A video demonstrating the work of the plugin the developer promises to publish in the near future. His code will be available in the public domain. When asked about where keys and types of hashes will be stored, Rashad replied, "In the LND wallet. Excel will be just an interface for interacting with it." According to the developer, the plugin should be ready before the end of October. The week turned out to be rich in interesting news. It is also turned out that the head of Visa doesn't deny the possibility of supporting Bitcoin. In the future, the Visa payment system may start working with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, if it sees that they are becoming a real payment instrument. Such a statement in an interview with CNBC was made by CEO of the company, Al Kelly. According to him, in the short term, cryptocurrencies do not pose a threat to Visa, but the payment giant is ready to implement new systems if digital currencies are more recognized. Kelly expects the formation of a certain market, which will be similar to the current fiat one. Wise Ratings named 4 cryptocurrencies which are absolutely not worth investing in. The financial rating agency Wise Ratings assigned a rating of D+ and below to 48 cryptocurrencies, among them Aurora Chain, Bitcoin Diamond, Credits and Mixin. Wise Ratings noted that the description of the smart contract in the white paper of the Aurora Chain project could be partially copied from Wikipedia. At the same time, the combination of the delegated proof-of-stake algorithm and Byzantine error resistance is not a unique characteristic of this cryptocurrency, the report says. Bitcoin is being googled less and less. We have already dropped to May 2017 level. According to Google Trends, the number of search queries for the word Bitcoin has decreased by 93% compared with the peak values of December of last year. Adamant Capital founder Tour de Master shared this observation. According to him, at the present time, the number of such requests corresponds to the values of May last year. Also, according to him, the number of requests for the phrase "buy Bitcoin" decreased to the values of April 2017. AMD reported that no one needs mining video cards. The report says that the revenue from the sales of blockchain-based video cards in the third quarter is much lower than in the previous quarter. The share for revenues from this area in the total amount is expressed by a single digit in percentage terms. AMD's total revenue from the sales of all types of graphic processors decreased by 14% compared with the second quarter, but increased by 12% compared with last year. Representatives of the company expect a continued decline in sales of popular GPU devices among the miners. Essentially, the predictions came true, because as early as April of this year, AMD predicted a profit of less than 10% at the end of the year. And finally, the head of Dashcore spoke about the coming era of the national crypto. By the way, you can also find a video about this thing on the channel. He believes that the release of cryptocurrency by central banks is only a matter of time, and it's rather close. He noted that the central banks have advantages in the release of the crypto coins. However, according to Taylor, the adoption of such monetary units depends on the community. My name is Andrew from Wanna Crypto. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me something nice in the comments. And see you in the next video. Peace!